In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an info line on TradingView. This is a valuable skill for traders and analysts who want to visualize trend information directly on their charts. Whether you're new to TradingView or have been using it for some time, mastering this feature will certainly enhance your analytical capabilities. Let's get started by opening your TradingView chart interface. First, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and locate the pencil icon. This icon represents the drawing tools you'll use to annotate your charts. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. Doing so will present you with a drop-down menu that contains various tools for drawing and annotating. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Trend Lines. Trend lines are fundamental tools for highlighting the movement and patterns of price action over a period. However, today, our focus will be on a specific type of trend line called an info line, which will provide valuable data such as percentage change and angle of the line. Now let's proceed to choose Info Line from the list. This tool combines the basic functionality of a trend line with additional insightful data points. After selecting the Info Line tool, you'll notice that your cursor transforms, readying itself to draw on your chart. To draw your info line, click on the point where you'd like to start your trend analysis, typically an area of significant price movement, and then drag your cursor in the direction you'd like to analyze. You can choose any 2 points on your chart that you'd like to measure between. The idea here is to get a comprehensive understanding of the trend slope and magnitude. Once you release the mouse button after dragging, you will see the info line appear, connecting the 2 points you selected. Alongside this line, you'll now notice the additional information that appears, such as the percentage change between the 2 points and the angle at which the line is drawn. This numerical and visual data is crucial, as it allows you to quantify the strength and direction of the trend you're examining. Keep in mind that the percentage change can help you understand how much the price has increased or decreased over that period, while the angle provides an intuitive sense of the trend's steepness. The info line feature makes it effortless to incorporate this quantitative dimension into your visual analysis swiftly. Feel free to draw multiple info lines to compare different segments of the chart or different assets. This process can be done repeatedly with ease, allowing you to gain deeper insights and make more informed trading decisions based on the visual and quantitative data at your fingertips. That wraps up our guide on how to draw an info line on TradingView. Keep practicing and exploring the various tools available so you can continue to refine your skills as a trader or analyst. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.